We love Hakka
and 愛客家
We love Hakka
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And the phrase we're going to teach you this month is no problem, piece of cake, 没关系。
莫管黑，
莫管黑 ，OK， 就是I got you 的，有的时候是这样子哦，比如说最近可能下雨比较多，然后忘了带雨伞，
对啊，没关系啊，我的雨伞借你。
对，就喜欢听到这句话就 OK 了嘛。好，我们听一个这样的状況好了。
老二咧，唔過我冇帶仔，
莫管黑，我嘅仔講，
俺只是帶下出門。
那个仔就是我们的雨伞，对不对 ？Okay, to borrow an umbrella is the theme of this episode because someone is going to lend you an umbrella because it's raining right now. Okay, let's break it down one by one. 我们一句一句来教吧。
好，
下雨了，可是我没带雨伞。It's raining, but I forgot to bring my umbrella.
落雨咧，
落雨咧，
唔過
我
冇帶仔，
冇帶仔，可是唔過 right？
對，
冇
帶仔。
仔 again is the umbrella. 冇帶就是
我沒有帶
I didn't bring it. So the other friend says 没關係 no problem. 我的雨傘借你 I can lend you my umbrella.
莫管黑，
莫關係
我嘅仔講
我嘅仔加
莫管黑，我嘅仔講
加就是
借
借的意思哈
講就是借你咯。
Sounds like a home, but it actually means to lend you that umbrella. Okay, 所以当然要谢谢对方了。All right, thank you. I will return it when I'm done. Right? 谢谢你，等一下就还你。
按字寫，
按字寫，
等下出版
等下出版，等下 that means later, right? 等一下嘛，就还你，还就变
晚
晚。Okay, 所以加借晚还。Okay, one is to borrow and one is to return. There you go. Well, let's review some of the phrases such as the umbrella 雨伞。
仔
and then to borrow 借加 and then to return 還晚 and let's listen to the conversation again.
老二咧，唔過我冇帶仔，
莫管黑，我嘅仔講
俺只是帶下出門。
And this month, the phrase we're teaching you is very practical. 其實真的很實用啦，叫做沒關係。
莫管黑，
莫管黑，這英文可能 no problem 啦 ，it's okay 啦 ，I got you 啦，就讓人家壓力比較少一點了。
沒錯，
對，然後希望大家在任何的情況可以沒關係撈一下咯，莫管黑。There you have it, another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
是母太家。
漢字寫張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.